Honor's gaming-focused GT line got its newest member today with the Honor GT. This is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 phone with a massive VC heatsink, a 5,300 mAh silicon carbon battery, and 100W wired charging. Honor GT is built around a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The panel is rated at up to 4,000 nits peak local brightness and features an in-display fingerprint scanner as well as a 16MP selfie cam. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip is paired with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. Honor also added its Honor 3D cooling system, which employs a 5,514 mm2 VC heatsink with graphite elements and 9W thermal conductive gel. Honor GT comes in ice white, phantom black, and aurora green colors. Pricing for the 12/256GB trim starts at 2,199 Chinese yuan, $302, while the top-spec 16GB RAM and 1TB storage version is 3,299 Chinese yuan, $453. The device is already available for purchase in China from Honor's official website, with the first deliveries scheduled for tomorrow, December 18th.